Hello and welcome to this video about Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun and one of the most interesting objects in our solar system. In this video, we'll explore the history of Neptune's discovery, its physical characteristics, its moons, and its place in the solar system. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by French astronomer Urbain Le Verrier and British astronomer John Couch Adams. Both astronomers independently calculated the position of an unknown planet based on deviations in the orbit of Uranus. When telescopes were pointed to the predicted location, Neptune was found. The planet was named after the Roman god of the sea, and it is one of the four gas giants in our solar system, along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, and it has an average distance of 4.5 billion kilometers, 2.8 billion miles, from our star. Neptune is a massive planet with a diameter of 49,244 kilometers, 30,599 miles, making it the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It has a mass 17 times that of Earth and a surface gravity of 11.15 meters per second squared, about 1.1 times that of Earth. One of the most striking features of Neptune is its blue color, which is due to the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. The gas absorbs red light and reflects blue light, giving the planet its distinctive hue. Neptune's atmosphere is very dynamic, with strong winds that can reach speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers, 1,300 miles per hour, the strongest winds in the solar system. These winds are caused by the planet's fast rotation, which takes just 16.1 hours to complete a full rotation on its axis. Neptune's weather patterns are also very complex, with massive storms and hurricanes that can last for years. The most famous of these is the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm that was first observed in 1989 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. However, the Great Dark Spot has since disappeared, and new storms have been observed in its place. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest of which is Triton, which is also one of the largest moons in the solar system. Triton is a unique moon, as it is the only large moon in the solar system that orbits its planet in a retrograde direction, opposite to the planet's rotation. Triton is also geologically active, with evidence of cryovolcanism, or the eruption of cold, volatile materials such as water, ammonia, and methane. The moon's surface is covered in a layer of frozen nitrogen, and it has a tenuous atmosphere of nitrogen and methane. Other notable moons of Neptune include Nereid, a small irregular moon that has a highly eccentric orbit, and Proteus, a large irregular moon that is heavily cratered. Neptune is located in the outer solar system, beyond the asteroid belt, and it takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Due to its distance from the Sun, Neptune receives only 1/900th of the sunlight that Earth receives, making it a very cold planet with an average temperature of -214 degrees Celsius. Neptune's orbit is also very eccentric, meaning that its distance from the Sun varies significantly over the course of its orbit. At its closest approach to the Sun, Neptune is about 4.45 billion kilometers, 2.76 billion miles, away, while at its farthest point, it is about 4.55 billion kilometers, 2.83 billion miles, away. Neptune is also known for its numerous rings, which were first discovered in 1984 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. These rings are composed of ice particles and debris, and they are thought to be relatively young, possibly formed from the breakup of a moon or other large object. Much of what we know about Neptune comes from observations made by spacecraft, including the Voyager 2 mission in 1989 and the Hubble Space Telescope. These observations have revealed much about the planet's atmosphere, weather patterns, moons, and rings. In addition, there have been several proposed missions to explore Neptune and its moons more closely, including the Neptune Orbiter mission proposed by NASA in 2019. This mission would involve a spacecraft orbiting Neptune and conducting detailed observations of the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. Despite our knowledge of Neptune, there are still many mysteries surrounding the planet. One of the biggest mysteries is the source of the planet's internal heat, which is thought to be generated by the decay of radioactive elements or the cooling of a hot, molten core. Another mystery is the origin of Neptune's moons, which are thought to have been captured from the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune that contains many icy objects. In conclusion, Neptune is a fascinating planet that continues to capture the interest of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Its physical characteristics, moons, and rings make it a unique object in our solar system, and ongoing research and exploration may help us to unlock some of the mysteries surrounding this distant planet. Thank you for watching.